Hello everyone, and welcome to this quick guide on how to remove someone from a Snapchat group chat. Unlike other social media platforms, Snapchat does not allow anyone to be an admin of a particular group, even if you have created the group. Therefore, you do not have the ability to remove a particular person from the group. However, there are a couple of ways to stop interacting with a person that you don't want in the group. First, if you tap and hold the group of Snapchat, you'll have a few options, and if you tap on more, you'll see the option to leave the group or clear the conversation. However, there is no option to remove a particular person even if you open up the chat. One way to stop interacting with the unwanted person is to tap and hold their name and then tap on Manage Friendship. A few options will open up, and you can tap on Block. After blocking the person, any message you send on that particular group will not be visible to that person. You can also ask other group members to do the same and block the person. Another way to stop interacting with the person is to create a new group, excluding the person you want to remove. To do this, tap on the blue icon on the bottom right and create a new group. These are the only two things you can do to remove someone from a Snapchat group chat. I hope this video has been helpful to you. If it has, please make sure to subscribe, share, and give this video a thumbs up. That's all for today.